and welcome. You should be on page 21 of your Quarter 2 Algebra 1 notebook. In this video, we're going to talk about a few different graphing linear inequalities problems. Specifically, I have a couple word problems and graphs that we're going to do. So here we are on page 21, number 5. Jackson can spend no more than $24 to buy pecans and cashews. He will pay $6 per pound for pecans and $8 per pound for cashews. So we need an X and a Y. I'm going to say X equals pounds of pecans and Y equals pounds of cashews. So let's label my axis. We're going to be here. X is the pounds of pecans and Y is the pounds of cashews. Alrighty. So I know that the total is 24. So I know there's going to be my total. And I know that if I buy 7 pounds of pecans, I will pay 7 times 6. So 6 times the amount of pecans will give me how much. Now, I know that 8 times the pounds of cashews will give me how much I spend there. So 8 times however much. I want to spend no more. That's a maximum. So I need to spend less than or equal to, right? Sorry, I'm going to just erase that so it's a little closer. So it looks like that Jackson wants to spend $24 total. Whatever he buys has to be less than or equal to 24. So I'm going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am now going to find my x and y intercepts. So the x-intercept, of course, is the value of x when y equals 0. If y equals 0, I end up with 6x equals 24, and x is going to equal 4. So x equals 4. It looks like if he buys 4 pounds of pecans, he can get no cashews. Now my y-intercept, or the value of y when x equals 0, will result in x equaling 0, 8y is equal to 24, so y is going to equal 3. And it looks like if Jackson buys 3 pounds of cashews, he can buy no pecans. I'm going to connect this right there. And it says to give 2 possible solutions. And to be honest with you, let me see, x is pecans and y is cashews. My intercepts give me 2 clear solutions. So I know that he can buy 4 pounds of pecans and 0 pounds of cashews, or he can buy 0 pounds of pecans and 3 pounds of cashews. I have now solved that problem. Let's now take a look at page 23. I'm going to skip over page 22. That's some more graphing, but I wanted to look at these 2 questions. Which of the graphs below have 1, 2 in their solution set? Circle all that apply. So the best way to do this is to plot 1, 2. So here I am at 1, 1, 2. That's a dotted line. Anything on a dotted line will not be a solution. So this is not. I'm going to go over 1 up 2. This could either be right inside or on the dotted line, but it's very clear that 1, 2 is in the solution set. 1, 1, 2. Again, very clear that 1, 2 is in the solution set. And if I go over 1, 2, it is very clear that 1, 2 is not in the solution set. We're also going to look at number 8. 8 is another problem like that number 5 on page 21. Frank works at a convenience store. He earns $7.50 per hour when he's working during the day, $12.50 per hour when he works at night, and he wants to earn at least $300. So that's a minimum amount. So he wants to earn greater than or equal to 300. It looks like if I look here, day, 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 X equals the number of hours during the day, and Y, night, 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 equals the number of hours during the night. So that's the first thing, which is X, which is Y. And these graphs are all doing the same thing. Now I know that Frank will earn $7.50 times the number of hours he works, plus $12.50 times the number of hours he works at night, and he would like at least $300. So he wants it to be more than $300. Let's find the X and Y intercept, and that will help me pick or at least eliminate some graphs. So my X intercept, value of X when Y equals 0, is going to give me, so Y equals 0, 7.50X is greater than or equal to 300, or you could write equals 300. You're really just finding your value of X here. So I'm going to divide 300 and 750 by 750. So 300 divided by 7.5, X equals 40. So I should have a point at 40, 0. That has a point at 40, 0. That has a point at 40, 0. This does not. That is not going to be a choice, and nor does this. So it looks like my y-intercept is going to be probably about 25. I don't need to figure this out for this problem because I know that these are okay. They both have my x and y-intercept. They're the same. What I need to do is think about a test point of 0, 0. 0, 0 is clearly not on the line. So I'm going to use 0, 0. And I'm going to write 750 times 0 plus 1250 times 0. Is that greater than or equal to 300? Well, 750 times 0 is 0, plus 1250 times 0 is 0. Is it greater than or equal to 300? Well, I suspect not. That is false. So 0, 0 is not shaded. We can see in choice A that 0, 0 would be shaded. So the answer is choice B. That's it for this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.